Tutorial of Customer Portal. First tap on Customer Portal button. Now click on Email Address to add another person email of your company. Then add subject of your ticket. Then add detailed description of your problem. Now add relevant attachment. And you can preview your attachment to verify it's correct or not. Then hit Submit, and boom, your ticket will be created. Now to watch your current or older ticket status, tap My Ticket. Click Refresh Ticket. Now you can see all your ticket. You can expand them to see detailed information. You can also add another attachment if you forgot to add while creating ticket. Thanks for watching. Please